In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate dark mode in Monday for the year 2025 with a step-by-step guide. Whether you're using the desktop version or the mobile app, switching to dark mode can offer a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low-light environments. First, let's get started with your desktop. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to monday.com. Log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in and have reached your main workspace, you're ready to begin customizing your theme. The next step is to open your profile menu. Look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll notice either a profile picture or an icon with your initials. Click on this and a menu will appear with several options to choose from. Within this menu, find and click on the option labeled either Theme or Appearance. This will vary depending on the monday.com version you are using. You will be presented with three main choices: Light Mode, which is the default setting, Dark Mode, indicated by a moon icon, and System Preference, which automatically adjusts your theme based on your operating system settings. To switch to dark mode, simply click on Dark Mode. Instantly, you'll notice that your monday.com interface transforms to a sleek dark theme. This change will affect your boards, dashboards, timelines, and menus, which will all update in real time. Moreover, colors for columns and statuses are automatically adjusted to maintain visibility and clarity. A quick tip: if you opt for System Preference, monday.com will align with the light or dark setting of your computer, providing an automated theme switching experience. Now, for those using the monday.com mobile app, the process is slightly different. If you're on an iPhone or iPad, open the monday.com app and tap your profile icon. Navigate to Settings, then find and select Theme. From here, you can choose Dark Mode to enable the dark theme on your mobile device. For Android users, open the app and tap the menu icon, which looks like three stacked lines. Select Settings and then tap on Appearance. Here you can choose either Dark Mode or Follow System. The Follow System option will sync the app's theme with your phone's overall settings. As a bonus tip, if you enable system-wide dark mode in your phone's display settings, monday.com will automatically match this preference, giving you a seamless dark theme experience across your device. And there you have it. You've successfully transitioned to dark mode in monday.com, both on the desktop and mobile app. This should make your interaction with the platform more visually comfortable, particularly during long work sessions or at night. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the improved interface settings with your newly activated dark mode.